In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send notifications from Jenkins to Slack using the Slack Notify integration. This setup is a simple way to keep your team informed without constantly checking Jenkins manually. Once it's configured, Jenkins can automatically post updates to a Slack channel whenever a build succeeds or fails, which makes it much easier to stay on top of pipeline activity in real time. Before you begin, make sure you have administrator access to Jenkins and that your Slack app integration is already available so you can connect Jenkins to the correct workspace securely. Start by opening Jenkins in your browser and going to the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Manage Jenkins. Next, open Plugins, sometimes labeled Manage Plugins depending on your version. Go to the Available Plugins tab and in the search box type Slack Notification. When the official plugin appears, select it and click Install. Give Jenkins a moment to complete the installation before moving on. Once the plugin is installed, return to Manage Jenkins and open Credentials. From there, go into the Global Credentials area and choose Add Credentials. In the Kind dropdown, select Secret Text. Paste your Slack integration token into the secret field. For the ID field, enter a clean internal label, such as Slack secret token, then click Create. This stores the token securely, so you don't have to hardcode sensitive information anywhere in your jobs or pipelines. Now go back again to Manage Jenkins and open System or Configure System if that is what your interface shows. Scroll down until you find the Global Slack Notifier Settings section. In the Workspace field, enter your Slack workspace subdomain only, not the full URL. Then, in the Integration Token Credential ID dropdown, select the credential you just created. After that, enter the Slack channel where you want notifications to appear. Click Test Connection to confirm Jenkins can successfully talk to Slack. If the test passes, click Save to keep the configuration. If you use a Jenkins file for declarative pipelines, the final step is to add Slack notifications inside the post section of your pipeline. Open your pipeline script and place a post block at the end. Inside that block, define separate success and failure conditions and use Slack send in each one. Set the channel, choose a color for visual status, and include a message with useful details like the job name, build number, and build URL. This gives your team clear, clickable updates directly in Slack as soon as the build finishes. Once that's in place, your Jenkins pipelines will automatically send build telemetry to Slack, helping your team respond faster and stay aligned.